Welcome. Today is day 1 of the 28-day gratitude practice inspired by the magic. And the instruction for today is simple. Write down 10 things you are grateful for. Simple, but not always easy. I want to share this honestly, because if you're finding this challenging, you're not alone. Years ago, when I first read the books, The Success Principles, and explored authentic happiness, I was introduced to gratitude as a daily practice. And even then, writing just 3 things felt difficult. Some days it felt repetitive. Some days it felt forced. And some days, I wasn't even sure it was working. So when I first came across this practice and saw write 10 things, I remember thinking, that's a lot. And you might be thinking the same. So here's what I want you to know. If it feels awkward, that's okay. If it feels repetitive, that's okay. If it feels like you're making some of it up, that's okay too. This is a practice, not perfection. What I've found over time is that something shifts. What once felt forced becomes natural. What once felt like effort becomes grounding. And what once felt like a task becomes something you genuinely want to do. Now, writing 10 gratitudes feels easy. It feels authentic. It feels like part of how I think. So for today, keep it simple. Write your 10 gratitudes. And after each one, just pause for a moment and feel it, even briefly. You don't need to believe it fully yet. Just practice and see what changes. I'll see you tomorrow for day 2.